In this video, you will know exactly how to withdraw money from your ShareASale account. To do that, log into your dashboard, go to Payments, and go to Payment Settings. This is where you will enter your business name, business account info, website info, account details. You can also change your login info, tax ID, W-9, all of that, including email settings. So for payment settings, go to the Payment tab, and down here it says Change Payment Settings. You can simply click on that, and you have the option to enable direct deposit, mailed check. You have the option to select direct deposit, here you have the option to select direct deposit. This is highly recommended. You can also select mailed checks. I don't recommend it because those checks. Down here you have the option to select direct deposit. This is highly recommended because the money will go straight into your banking account. Down here you have the option to select direct deposit, which is highly recommended because the money will go straight into your bank account at the end of the month. Mailed check, you can also do that, but they charge a fee, and you're going to have to wait, and potentially those checks could get lost. And then also here you have wire deposit, which I don't recommend. Direct deposit is the fastest and easiest way to go. And here on top it says payment trigger. They only send out payment on your account if it's over $50. For this example, for this account, we are consistently making over past $500 every month. So we're going to just select $100. And you can And here where it says payment trigger, and here it says payment trigger, this is the amount that you are setting before. Here it says payment trigger. This is the payment threshold. This is the payment. Here it says payment trigger. Here it says payment trigger. This is the payment threshold before you receive a check. For this account, we are consistently making over $500 a month. So we're going to just select $100 as our threshold and click on Update. And to enter your banking information, simply hit Edit. To change your banking information, you do the same thing. You come to this page, you enter your account name, routing info, account info, and that's it. And this is exactly how easy it is to set up a payment method on ShareASale. Before I let you go, there's another thing I want to show you on the ShareASale account. On top it says Reports. You can go to Reversal Reports. Now there are a couple things that's to track how much payments you have received in the past. Simply go to Payments, go to Past Revenue. Here it will show you this chart on how much paychecks you have received from ShareASale. This chart, you simply go to Payment. Now you can also check. Now you can also keep track of how many paychecks you have received. So go to Payments, go to Past Revenue, And here you can select the date range, and then here it will show you all the checks that you have received. Just like that. Very simple. And another thing I want to show you is if you go to reports and you go to return days analysis, this right here is something that other affiliate programs don't have. And another thing is go to reports, go to return days analysis. Now this is something very helpful for affiliates because it tells you exactly now the return days analysis is extremely helpful for affiliates to understand the user behaviors on their websites. It tells you how many people, it tells you the numbers of sales happening on the same day when a user click on your affiliate link. How many people came back to purchase the item after a week, after a month. It will show up all in here. So with this you can easily, so with this you get a 1,000-foot overview on how your affiliate links are performing as far as the conversion rate goes. Typically on the same day purchase, we have people. So with this, you get a 1,000-foot overview on your conversion performance. So with this, you get a 1,000-foot view on how your affiliate links are performing, the conversion rate, and how many people came back a week later to convert. Now, this is exactly how you can use ShareASale to set up tracking and also set up payment plan.